Hello, everyone. Welcome to Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day. Today's word is important. MÜELLİM. MÜELLİM. MÜELLİM is, of course, teacher, instructor, tutor. Let's see some phrases. To ask the teacher. New instructor. To find a private tutor. MÜELLİMden soruş. Ask the teacher. Yeni müəllim. New instructor. Şəxsi müəllim tapmaq. Now, nobody says şəxsi. Just for the sake of the example, I wanted to add it in there. Private means şəxsi. But when you say private tutor, we all know that it's going to be officially a teacher too. So we don't say şəxsi müəllim. We just say müəllim tapmaq, to find a tutor. All right? Let's see some sentences. Sualım olanda məllimdən soruşuram. When I have a question, I ask the teacher. Sualım olanda. When I have a question. See how sualım, my question. That's what signifies that it means when I have the question, not someone else. MÜELLİMden. Technically, den is the suffix that means from, meaning from the teacher I'm asking. But when you translate it sounds awkward, so the right translation is I ask the teacher. MÜELLİMden soruşuram. Soruşuram, soruşmak, infinitive, to ask. Soruşuram, I ask. All right? Let's see another sentence. İmtahana hazırlık üçün məllim tapmaq istəyirəm. Remember what I told you, Şəxsi? I want to find a private tutor to prepare for the exam. Now, imtahan, exam. İmtahana, for the exam. Hazırlık üçün, to prepare for. Üçün means technically for. Hazırlık, preparation. Məllim tapmaq istəyirəm. I want to find a tutor. But what we know they mean by private tutor. All right? Now, that was today's word, məllim. Nobody in Azerbaijan will say it, müəllim. 99.9% you're going to hear people saying məllim. Here's another hint for you. Often, they go by mellim by default, but you may hear some people calling female teachers mellime or müellime. That's just a ending that's added for female professions sometimes. Once again, you don't hear it a lot, but you might hear. If you hear, act like native. You know what that means. All right? Now, you don't have to use mellim in full Azerbaijani sentence. Let's see my version. I always wanted to be mellim when I was a kid, and that's true. Not English teacher, not Azerbaijani though. I wanted to be a math teacher. Awesome. Thanks so much for sticking with me. Come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com for more. Cheers.